Epic movie guy voice. Backstory. I have my straight roommate and my straight boyfriend sleeping in my bed right now. And they were high as fuck last night. So I'm doing a poem about them. Epic movie guy voice. 2 bros, 1 bed. This December comes the snores. Heard from another room. Who can guess who's the loudest? Only the sleep deprived can decide. It's snore to swore, snore to snore, twitch to twitch, man fart to man fart. Coming to not many theaters near you. In fact, it got canceled. Go back to school, kids. Love you.